Oh, we're here at Stephen Creek's Westfield Valley Fair Mall. We've done a couple jobs here. Today we're at AFEELA Honda, decommissioning this infrared wall. So this is the unofficial way of taking these off. So we don't have our vacuum tool, but luckily Kobe's here, you know, the professional. So these are boxes for panels, and then these are boxes for cabinets. You gotta get the last two, man. All right, that's all the panels. Yep, the Jacoby, the professional, taking down this AFEELA infrared wall. Jacoby's putting in a lot of hard work today. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. Big guy, big guy, big guy. 6, 7. I gotta take this off and wire nut those back together. So in case someone turns it back on, it's not like a loose live wire, you know? So I just take the wire nuts off the power whip, put them right back on, and call it a day. All right, this is Kobe with Digital Dreams here at AFEELA Honda in San Jose, California, West Valley Fair Mall. We have completely decommissioned this infrared LED wall. We're all done. Removed all the power whips, capped them off. Brackets are taken apart. Everything's boxed up. We got this job done pretty quick. We started at 10, ending around 3. I think we did a great job. Shout out to Keith, shout out to Sean, shout out to Digital Dreams, where we make dreams come true.